Hi guys, welcome to Recipes, Preps, and Praise. And also we're going to put this on our sister channel, Dementified Christians. Today we are making breakfast sausage balls. And it's only just a few real simple ingredients. If you've made sausage balls with the flour and all that, this is a whole lot easier. So we need...
And our guest today is?
And our guest today is Kenneth Sadler.
Hi,
Hello.
Kenneth. How are you?
I'm ready to mush up some sausage and taters.
Here we go.
All right, so
Here
we
we
need
go.
2 tubes of that.
We're going to put 2 tubes of our sausage in our bowl.
Yep.
All right, come on.
Oh, man.
Got to get it all out.
I grew up on the farm. Kenneth's an old city boy. When we was on the farm, we learned how to get every ounce of that stuff out.
Well, we're gonna work it out
Look at
then.
there. Ooh, that's half a sausage ball.
That's half a sausage ball.
I'm getting it, Eddie. I'm
gotta
learning.
squeeze it
I'm
out.
watching the master. Look at there. All right. Trash.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right. We need
Taters.
about 20 ounces of shredded hash browns.
You
Frozen shredded hash.
think that's what we got in there?
That's pretty close.
Looks like 20
That's what we
ounces
got.
to me.
Yeah. Actually, it's about 25 ounces. But that's okay.
We're gonna start getting busy with it.
Uh-oh.
Okay, wait a minute. We ain't
Okay.
quite
Wait a
done
minute,
yet.
wait a minute.
We got cheese to go in here.
We got 2 cups of cheese. Let me keep going with it.
Yeah,
Get
just
your
pour
hands-
in there, Mr. Chef Eddie. Looks like close to 2 cups. And
That's,
do
is
you
that
have
2
it?
cups? I think that's 2
Well,
cups.
that's what the package says.
It's 2 cups. That's a whole package.
It
There we
says
go.
2 cups, so it's probably a cup and a half. Isn't it?
Yeah.
That's the way they've been selling
All right,
things.
you're about to get fun here.
Now we got our eggs ready.
On the,
Whoa.
Uh-oh.
that's all right, it's clean. I just washed it. I just washed the counter.
All right.
Everybody saw me do it. Well, y'all didn't, but
Yes,
Yeah,
it's been washed, cleaned, washed.
Wars.
and we're gonna put 2 eggs in there. I might even put a 3rd egg just for the fun of it. Since we're talking about breakfast, I know we got a few.
Load her up already.
I know we got a few more taters than what we're supposed to have. So let's
I don't know.
let's throw one
Can't
more
go
egg in
can't
there.
go wrong with too much taters.
That's true, but you probably want a little more egg to hold it together. This stuff is yummy, y'all. We made some yesterday, and I was going to take it to our Gideon meeting this morning, but it didn't make it. We ate them all last
We ate 'em
night,
all.
and we ate them this morning.
And the
All
guys,
right, so all we're missing is some seasoning.
Yeah, season her up.
This I use on
is-
everything. It doesn't matter if I'm making
is
hot dogs,
good
hamburgers,
stuff.
chili, sausage balls,
This
you
is
name it.
good stuff.
So we're going to
We're going to just hula it to it. There you
yeah.
go. There you go.
good stuff.
Good stuff. Just take the lid off and dump it.
Well, I got enough in there for
Breakfast in the morning?
breakfast this
Yeah.
morning. Well, I say that, we'll probably have these.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
We're going to take these to, on a particular Sunday at our church, Minor Baptist in Sykeston, Missouri. We have a breakfast in our Sunday school class, and ooh, it is good. We do biscuits and gravy and eggs and
There you go.
breakfast casseroles and
Whoa.
just name it. So
How's the mixer doing there, Chef Eddie?
You're doing
Am I
good.
a good job?
I think
You're
you're
doing
doing
good.
pretty damn good.
And you are
Just keep-
correct when
It's cold.
it's cold. But I'm
Very
okay.
cold.
I'm okay.
See, I had to stop when I was making it last night. I had to stop about 4 times.
Yeah?
And I was making a half a batch.
You're running your
Which, by
head.
the way, if you make a half a batch, needless to say, all you do is use half the ingredients.
Half ingredients.
And if you know, Normally it's just Ava and myself, so we don't need a big thing like this. And we're going to use our little scoop here in a minute. But Ava's making signs at me like she can't talk while it's going on. I have no idea what that's supposed to be. She's got the camera, so.
Hi guys,
Okay.
I'm here. Yummy,
She
that
mixed
looks
good
good.
enough yet,
What
or?
do you think?
What do you think?
You get all them seasonings out. I tried to spread it out enough.
Yeah, I mean, I've been
So you got it
moving
all mixed
around,
in there.
so I think it's probably
And the
gonna make some
cheese.
pretty good balls.
And the potatoes.
You're right.
All right.
All
Right.
right.
One group right there. See them taters?
There you go. Oh,
There you go.
there you go.
That's pretty good.
All
There
right.
you go.
Can't
Okay.
have too much tater.
Now then, the key to getting these is to make
Now there's
them
a
I'm gonna
sink
go
right
over
over
there and wash
there.
my hands
There you
just a
go.
little bit.
the key to making these balls. Whether you want them small or large doesn't really matter. We made them really big last night, so that we had to quarter them up in order to make bite sizes. So this time we're going to make them a little smaller.
Is that smaller?
Oh, it's quite a
Oh
bit
yeah,
smaller.
that's smaller.
The key to it, no matter what size they are, is to get them all the same size.
Make them uniform.
Because when they're cooking, you want them all cooked the same. Cooked the same. You've got small ones and big ones, and small ones are going to get done. Oop, got a little big one now. See what that one does.
Did you see me eat them frozen
good?
taters?
I did.
I bet they were tasty. And I'm
Yeah.
lying. I bet they weren't.
That's
Eddie,
good.
Eddie, help me.
I give.
So we've got a baking sheet over here. I don't know if you saw it or not, but a
You
baking
did a
sheet.
good job on them balls, Eddie.
Thank you.
You're doing a good job on the balls.
A baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and of course the only reason that is so that pan ain't so messy.
And folks, my hands are thawed out now. They're not frozen anymore.
We don't want them to touch. We leave a little space in between.
Yummy. That looks good already.
Let me try to make some of them balls.
Don't get them all.
Did I
Don't
get it too big,
full.
Eddie?
I
Don't get it too
yeah,
big.
that's a little
That's
bit.
a little too big. We can take a little out.
Yeah, I've had
Now,
to do that a
Eddie,
couple
you just
times.
made that
I
one
just
bigger
took
too.
that one
We can take a little out. Step around here. Let's compare. I think that's about the right size.
What do you guys think?
Did I do a good job?
Oh, I
That's
think
not bad for my
I
first
think that's pretty
for my
good.
first one.
I think that's pretty good. That looks good. Now you all got. Now you
That's
both
the
got
thing
your
with this
hands in
thing,
there.
you get them pretty close.
There you go.
You have to guess so much about it.
Just roll them around.
Roll them, roll them,
Roll
roll
'em
them.
around.
If there's anybody under 50, they probably don't know what that is.
Rawhide.
And you're 50 over, you probably go, oh man, that was a bad rendition of it. Raw.
Rowdy Yates.
Lenny's Woods.
I like
I
Rowdy
got it a little
Yates.
big. I'm gonna take a little out. I think we
Y'all, we've been a while since we posted anything on recipes, preps, and praise, or formerly known as Praise the Lord and Pass the Plate.
praise the Lord and pass
But
the
if you
plate.
look through
I
there,
like
if
that.
you're new to our to that channel, if you look through there, there are all kinds of really good recipes. We have a what am I trying to say? A corn fritter recipe on there that has, oh, I don't remember. I have dementia, y'all, so
I like corn.
when I
fritters.
tell you something that ain't exactly right, just kind of look over me. I have an excuse. But anyway, if you look at that corn fritters, and I love corn fritters. I would usually, when she makes them, she'll make a whole big old batch of them and just freeze a lot of them. But they're, ooh, I want to say it's 4,000 views. Does that sound right?
I don't know. I don't remember.
Lots and lots of views. I think it was our most watched video. But I've got my chili recipe on there.
I got my goulash
Good
recipe.
chili.
I've got chili that I've won 3. I was in 3 chili cook-offs, and I got first place in all 3 of them.
Can't get no better than that.
Can't get no better than that.
Well, I might could, I might not, but I quit entering it just in case. I had 3. I figured, okay, that's good. You won 1, yeah, maybe a coinkydink. 2, hey, that's pretty good.
Yeah, but you win
And
3.
There was oh gosh, my first one was, I guess it was probably about 300 people there.
300 contestants?
No, 300 people
300 people.
that voted. I don't remember how many contestants we had. I think it was probably a dozen or so.
About a dozen.
I'm guessing. I don't really remember. It's been a while ago. That was a little big, ain't it?
I don't know. Did you get one just a little big?
It got a little bit big. And again, the problem is, the reason it's important is you want them to cook
All cooked the same.
I think we're going to need another cookie sheet.
We're going to need another one, but we won't make
I
them
was gonna say,
stand
we
up.
got a big batch here, don't we, Iva?
Yeah, we do.
We only got a couple more. You want to make the last one for this?
Sure. I'll make one more. Whoa.
That one's a little shy.
Oh, we don't want them shy.
Don't want them too big, but
You got one too big, too
what
shy?
that means, you stick it in the oven for about 45 minutes, and that little sucker will be done in about 20.
Okay. There's our last one.
There's the last one on
Or
that
in this batch, anyway.
on that pan.
So what we're going to do, guys, is pop this in the oven. We've already got preheated to 350 degrees. And we're going to set a timer for about 45 minutes. And then after 30 minutes, we'll kind of keep a close eye on them and see how they're doing. So we'll be back when we get all this out of the oven, and we'll see what they look like.
Okay.
Hit the red button.
Yes.
Okay, guys, we went 45 minutes. I think we probably could have took them out at 30, but I don't know. Kenneth's already into them. What do you think, Kenneth?
They are absolutely delicious. This is the first sausage ball that I've ever eaten.
Wow.
And it's just, to use an old-fashioned word my grandma used to use, they're larping.
All right. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Let's watch for
Oh, my
another
goodness.
video soon.
They are delicious, guys.
I think he likes them.